Want to wirelessly screen mirror your Android phone to your Vizio Smart TV? It's super easy, whether you're on a Samsung Galaxy or any other Android smartphone. The first thing that you want to make sure is both your Vizio Smart TV and your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, if you have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then open the control center and you'll need to click on SmartView. Here, your Vizio TV will pop up in a second. Just tap on it. Then you'll see the casting window. And you can either choose to cast a single app, or if you click on it, you can choose entire screen. Then simply tap on Start Casting. And boom, there you go. Your Samsung is now being mirrored. If you have any other Android device, then you'll just need to find the cast or screencast option, click on it, select your TV, and the rest of the process is the same. But what if you're unable to screen mirror using this method? Then what will work for everyone is screencasting via the Google Home app. Just install and set up the Google Home app. Then you'll need to go to the Devices tab. And as you're on the same Wi-Fi, you'll see under Local Devices, your Vizio TV will pop up. Just click on it. And here you'll get an option to add it to your room, or just select Cast My Screen, then Cast Screen from the pop-up, and now you can start sharing the screen from the same casting window. When you're done sharing your media or gameplay, to stop mirroring, you can just press the back or the home button on your Vizio TV remote. There you go, it's that simple. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.